up, Buttercups? I'm not even sure if you guys can see me. Hold on, let me turn this on. Nope. Oh, yes. So it is, let's see, it's like 6:25 right now, and I'm supposed to be heading to 2:25 a.m., definitely not p.m., but I'm supposed to be heading to Supercar Sunday, that's what it's called. And I don't know why people fix events this early. Like, what in the world? People are sleeping, for God's sake. But this is going to be still so much fun. And I'm supposed to meet a real cool guy that I met on YouTube. So yeah, this should be a lot of fun. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, boop. Oh my gosh, it is so early. Gold start. Okay, so this is Daniel. Say hi.
Hey guys.
This is gonna be golden. And this is your first like car show?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be amazing. And I kind of feel bad because today's a Sunday. I'm supposed to be going to church. I probably will still make it to church, but yeah. In the meantime, let's head to that place to Oh yes, we finally made it.
Track it again.
It is so big. Okay, so this is Gio, and this is like you guys were telling me my wing was big. This is mine, and this is his. You were saying something about the trunk. Just show them the trunk. His is so bad you can't even. You literally cannot even open the trunk. What? That is awesome. What? It's an ST. It's an ST.
Beautiful.
I have never seen one of these before. Oh my god, it's a Pantera. What? Okay, I think we're getting ready to go on a golden drive now through some golden roads in the golden 370 and the second 370.
Ready?
Oh yes, I'm ready. You guys just take a look at this view. Like, oh my gosh! It like the roads driving up here were like the scariest things because my car was scraping and it was also like it's really low, and also my oil was getting like kind of overheated, so I really needed an oil cooler. But oh, these roads are just amazing. Oh, and look at just those two amazing pieces of gold. Just oh my god, this has been an amazing day. Like literally the road just wraps around.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, so he's driving.
I'm trying to press the clutch.
Yeah, so he's driving my car. Yeah, I can put down the handbrake whenever. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm driving this. Oh, this is gonna be golden.
Hey guys.
Yeah, you lead. Oh.
Yeah, no, like this car is quieter than yours, but when you gun it,
yeah,
it's just like the Z should sound.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my gosh! This is awesome. Woo. It feels so different.
Really?
Yeah, it feels smoother. Like the steering feels. The steering feels a lot smoother. Like mine is a little bit jerky when you're like making turns. Oh my, yeah. That.
Oh, so now you understand why we were like.
I understand now. Oh my gosh.
Why we were just slaying those corners.
This is way. Oh my gosh. I literally thought there was no difference. Yeah, because you guys are so much more ahead of me. And I was like wondering, oh, I understand now the difference between the Nismo and the regular 370. Oh, and it sounds good. Oh, the ocean. Oh my gosh. It's so smooth. Oh, it feels so much more planted. Like mine, the suspension is it's good, but it's not as good when you get like under like super sharp turns. But this, it's like so smooth and flat. Oh my, I understand. I totally understand now.
Blowing your mind.
I understand. What? Yeah, my mind is completely blown. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was. Oh my gosh.
So worth it.
Your car feels so much more stable.
Different, right?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like yours feels so stable. Yeah, I completely understand now why. This 370Z is a totally different car from my 370Z, like completely. Before I used to think, I was like, oh, like what's the big difference between the Nismo and the 370Z, or the Nismo 370Z and the regular 370Z? But now on these roads, on these amazing golden roads, like I completely know why. And I'm so sorry if you cannot hear my voice because there's a lot of wind up on these mountains. But just look at this view. Like just look at this view. Oh my gosh. Look at these views. You might be about 60 actually right now. Yeah. Now to In-N-Out. I'm sorry, all the food is gone. Yeah, but he's eating, so yeah, I guess it's a food vlog. Well, that food was amazing. How was your In-N-Out golden burger?
It was excellent.
But yeah, I'm sorry I didn't film. I don't know. We were just too hungry. But we're gonna head back home now, and that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video, and I'll catch you guys on the next golden drive. Bye!